Hi everyone, I know a lot of you wants to have a good and special events, whether it is personal, corporate, or community type of events. But first, let's talk about this type of events and where they capable of. Let's start with personal event, which is mostly organized by casual people, because the purpose of the event is to celebrate personal gathering like birthdays, anniversary, family reunions, and etc. Is corporate events. This is one concern about serious matter of business, related purposes type of events, wherein they celebrate for business advantages, productivity, sales, and other marketing related activities. Last is the community events. This one is more on groups with different agendas who celebrate their activity based on what type group are they. It can be religious, sportsmanship, festivals, and other social gatherings to strengthen their social bonds. Okay, now let's talk about birthdays, which is a personal type of event. Birthdays are the most celebrated event upon all the events. It can be simple or elegant, and it is also flexible with the different themes. Birthdays can be celebrated anywhere, in any way by anyone. The celebration is simple, you just have to enjoy the day. The celebration of birthday is depends on age and desires, but it is important to celebrate the very first birthday. Here is an example, the Sesame Street. This theme is colorful, which suit well for the baby because they can recognize emotion through colors. Also, the theme is unique and you can highlight the baby's name to the party like John Street Party. This theme is classic, fun and worth. It's for the baby's first birthday party. Also, 70th birthdays are like to celebrate more often, but the difference is that the celebrant can take and decide of what his/her decide for the party. By this age, the celebrant always wanted to see their favorite character or cartoons. For example, SpongeBob, Baymax, Frozen, and Cinderella, which are the most respected theme for this age. Because these cartoon characters are like catchy and kids friendly. Characters that's why they enjoy seeing them in a party. The next age is the most magical birthday for a female, which is her 18th birthday. This is one of the most celebrated day among all of the birthdays. It is one of the most special days for a girl, wherein it shows their fantasy world and desires. In a day, it opens their new journey as a grown female. Example theme is Starry Night, which it is elegant and matured at the same time, because at this age they wanted to make it more different like they are growing and living like a princess in that day. The theme is magical, elegant and matured at the same time, which is more likely to celebrate at night with friends and family and other relatives. If the female are celebrating their debut, also males does, which is 21st birthday. Boys are likely to celebrate with more matured themes than girls because they are already at 21. Themes like retro gives them the vibe they want. At this age, they are more interested in music, sports, and fashion because they more concerned of how they look and anything about themselves. The last one is themed for the 50th or 60th birthday, which is the golden age. This celebrate the birthday to serve as thanksgiving for the celebrate from having a good life, good health, and wishes to continue. This celebration of birthday is special for it serve as a family reunion also. Golden age is the age of being thankful for everything you have achieved and gained for about 50 or 60 years mostly. They celebrate this with the whole family. The theme is classic that suits well to the age of the celebrant, wherein they wanted to their favorite singers to influence. Those are the examples of birthday theme according to the difference in age, but still, birthday theme can be different. It all is flexible in terms of your desires and details that you wanted to be present in your very special day. As I said a while ago, the celebration is a simple. You just have to enjoy the day and make the most of it. Birthdays are often each. year that make it more special. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you enjoy this presentation.